Welcome to the ultimate test of pilot skill in aircraft engineering. Today we're diving into the heart of the storm, where ordinary landings become extraordinary feats. Buckle up and prepare to witness some of the most jaw-dropping aviation footage you'll ever see. We kick off our journey in the rain-soaked skies of Amsterdam. This Air Baltic A220 is about to attempt a landing that's as dramatic as it is impressive. With the rain coming down in sheets, the pilot demonstrates incredible precision as the aircraft touches down, defying the elements. Next up, a United Boeing 767 that's about to redefine the meaning of a three-point landing. As the aircraft descends through the stormy sky, it touches down on just one wheel, showcasing the pilot's expert control in the face of adversity. This Delta Airlines Airbus A330 is put to the ultimate test as it battles strong crosswinds. The aircraft is thrown around like a toy, but the pilot's unwavering determination keeps it on course for a safe touchdown. For a touch of Portuguese flair, we have a TAP Air Portugal Airbus A319 facing a similar challenge. The close-up shots highlight the sheer force of the wind as the pilot battles to maintain control. Staying in Amsterdam, a KLM Boeing 737 takes on the elements. This is a masterclass in crosswind landings, as the pilot expertly corrects for the wind gusts, ensuring a smooth touchdown. We now shift our focus to Dusseldorf, where the wind speeds are nothing short of terrifying. This Eurowings Airbus A320 delivers a textbook example of how to handle a crosswind landing, showcasing the pilot's exceptional skills. This Dash aircraft is about to show us what true courage looks like. Facing a relentless crosswind, it performs a one-wheel landing that will leave you breathless. Another dash, another daring feat. This aircraft demonstrates incredible resilience as it endures a similar one-wheel landing, proving that even the smallest planes can handle the biggest challenges. Back to the bigger jets, this A320 delivers another stunning display of crosswind mastery. The pilot's precision is on full display as the aircraft gracefully touches down. A blast from the past with an Air Berlin Dash. Despite being an older aircraft, the pilot showcases exceptional skill in handling the challenging conditions. This Eurowings aircraft performs a near-vertical landing that's nothing short of jaw-dropping. It's a testament to the pilot's confidence and the aircraft's capabilities. Not all landings go according to plan. This Eurowings Airbus struggles to maintain control and ultimately goes around for another attempt. It's a reminder that even the best pilots can face challenges. British Airways brings its A game with a flawless landing in the face of adversity. The pilot's expertise is evident as the aircraft touches down with precision. This Etihad Airbus A330 shows us how it's done, gracefully navigating the stormy conditions and delivering a textbook landing. We conclude our journey with a Euro-Atlantic Boeing 767 that handles the wind with ease. The pilot's skill is evident as the aircraft touches down smoothly, bringing our epic adventure to a close. These pilots are true heroes, pushing the boundaries of aviation and demonstrating incredible skill and courage. It's a reminder of the immense talent and dedication required to fly these magnificent machines. We hope you've enjoyed this thrilling ride through the world of storm landings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heart-pounding aviation content.